We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned if we get any reversal, we can look for buy, but we didn't have any reversal, and but the second option was to have entry above this. And as we can see, the price even didn't take our entry. If we zoom in, we see the price didn't take. That's mean right now we want to see what's the next and how we can look for the next trade. As we mentioned in our analysis, we mentioned still we can expect this one turn to a flat for one more drop, as we can see. Okay, now we want to see whether this one is going to retest this low because the way is moving this sharp, or we can expect to get the correction here. Anyway, we move to daily chart, and still we can expect we're looking for continuation, for correction, for continuation. We don't have anything new to discuss here. We move to forward chart, and based on forward chart, we have been looking for the reversal. But what I can see here, the way is moving. If there is a continuation, still we can expect to get the drop. All right, but we don't have any trade setup even based on forward chart and 1 hour chart. As we mentioned, is first of all, still we can expect this one turn to flat for correction for one more drop. We need to be aware of if we want to trade within the correction. And the best thing is if we get this, then we can confirm the continuation reversal. Because if we refer to the indicators, even right now, I think we have a divergence. That's why we have been looking for buy. But anyway, all depends on what we get here. Whether this one retest the low or we get the correction here. And in this case, we move to lower time frame. We want to see what we have based on 15 minute. All right, we don't have anything to discuss. Mostly made the price drop. And if I move to 1 hour chart, okay. It's still right now we don't have any trade setup to look for buy. But if this one turn to a correction here for trade setup, maybe we can take the trade, but we have to wait. But right now we don't have any trade setup. As I mentioned, the best things for the price to retest the low. Then from there, any reversal, we take the trade. But if we get any opportunity here, we will take the trade with a stop loss at 38. Okay, having entry above this, right now we cannot have entry above because there is no difference. Either we get a correction or we have entry above this. It will be same, almost the same range. But right now, from what I can see, if there is a continuation, I don't think so we can get the trade setup. The best things we wait for one more drop. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade setup right now. All depends on what we get here. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share.